Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to draw a simple and beautiful fish. Grab your paper, pen, and colors, and let's dive right in. Start by drawing an oval shape on your paper. This will be the main body of the fish. Make sure it's slightly tilted to give it a natural swimming position. Next, at one end of the oval, draw a triangular shape that will form the tail. It should spread out like a fan to show the movement of the fish. At the opposite end of the tail, draw a rounded shape to form the fish's head. You can add a small curved line at the front for the mouth. Now, let's give our fish some character by drawing a circular eye. Now, let's add the fins. Draw two curved lines near the top of the body for the dorsal fin. To add some texture, draw a few curved lines along the body of the fish. These lines will represent the scales, giving the fish a more realistic look. We now go over drawing with a darker pen to make the fish stand out. And there you have it, a simple yet beautiful fish drawing. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I'll see you in the next video.